Today we're turning our embroidery into pin badges. I'm going to show you how to take these Christmas minis and turn them into this. First I checked that my circles hadn't become misshapen while I was stitching and fixed any wonky edges. Then I drew myself a line to cut along, about 1/8 of an inch outside of the circles. This is where I'll cut out the design, so there's a little bit of extra room to stitch the edges. You can do the next part with your designs either in the hoop or out of the hoop. I found that leaving my designs in the hoop worked better, as it kept the shape of the stretched fabric and kept all of my stitches taut. We need a circle of felt that's just a little bit bigger than our design, including the cut line. Now you want to take some fabric glue, and you want to cover one side of your felt completely in glue. Making sure that you tuck in any loose threads, press your circle of felt glue side down into the back of your design and then leave to dry. While this is drying, cut out another circle of felt that is again bigger than the cut line around your design. This is your back piece that we're going to attach our pin back to. You can get pin backs from places like Amazon and eBay, but in a pinch you can also use a safety pin. Position your pin backing on your circle of felt just above the middle and mark off with a pen. Now make 2 cut lines, one vertical and one horizontal, like so, and then make tiny snips with your scissors where the marks are. The vertical slit is for the side where the clasp is, and the horizontal one is for the side where the hinge is. Now it's time for a snack break. Only kidding. We need a piece of plastic from some unwanted packaging. The lid from a can of Pringles is perfect. Or you can use cardboard if you can't find any suitable plastic. Use your embroidery design template to draw a circle on the plastic the same size, and then draw a circle about 1/8 of an inch inside of that, and then cut out that smaller circle. The circle of plastic should fit inside your embroidery design without interfering with the edge. This is what we're going to use to keep our pin badge stiff and stop it from bending. Take a glue stick and cover one side of your plastic disc in glue. Now press it down to the back of your circle of felt that has the pin badge on the back, and then leave it to dry. Come back to your designs with the felt stuck to the back and cut out your designs along the cut lines that you made. Now take the back piece and the front piece of your design and take your glue stick and cover the other side of the plastic disc in glue, and then press the front of your design into the back. Make sure they're securely stuck together and then leave them to dry. Once they're dry, you can cut off the excess felt from the back part. And now we're all ready to stitch our edge and finish our pin badge. Take 4 to 6 strands, 6 strands being faster and 4 strands being easier to pull through your felt, and a size 7 needle. Tie a knot in one end of your thread and take your needle between the 2 layers of felt and out the back, hiding the knot between the 2 layers. Now bind your edges together by taking your needle through from the front to the back and making your way all the way around your pin badge, covering all of the raw edges If you run out of thread, simply take your needle between the 2 layers, tie a knot, and start another piece of thread the way you did the first one. Once you get all the way round, all of your raw edges should be covered by thread, and none of the area between the edge of your design and the cut line should be showing. You want to keep your stitches really close together to achieve this. Once you're all the way round and back to your start point, push your needle through 1 layer and up between the 2. Then tie a small knot as close to the edge as possible. Before taking your needle back down in the same spot between the 2 layers, and then bring it up a distance away and give it a tug so your knot disappears back down between the 2 layers. Then simply trim off your thread and you're all done. Congratulations! You've turned your embroidery into a beautiful wearable pin badge.